In this video, I'm going to show you the indicator that I have developed for the gold 5 minute, and many traders ask the question that why we have lost so much money on gold trading. So guys, if you have lost so much money on gold trading, this is the clear message that you don't have the knowledge and you don't know that how to deal with this market, and especially you don't know about the tricks that banks use. So that's what I have used in my indicator, and right now you can see this is the fantastic thing that I have developed for this indicator. Right now you can see we have received a sell signal on gold and price is massively down, and you can see it's still going down. Okay, now if I show you here, we have the bullish pullback. And guys, in this indicator I have two types of setting. First of all, this is the normal setting, and the second setting that I have given in this indicator is the aggressive one. I will show you both. Okay, so first of all, let me tell you that this indicator is not available for sell for everyone. Those who understand the worth of this indicator, they can simply contact me on Telegram. They can contact on my website, that is fxmentorus.com. They can simply visit my website fxmentorus.com. Right now our previous indicators are listed on our website, and we will soon upload this indicator details on our website. And if you want to get this the hands on the lifetime version of this indicator, so you need to contact on Telegram, email. Okay, and then these are the email and Telegram, and you can simply contact us. And again, I'm repeating that only those subscribers will contact those who understand the worth of this indicator, because this is not a indicator that should be thrown for for a very low price. Okay, so this is not a low price indicator. Okay, so right now you can see, first of all, we have a buy signal, gold went up. We have a sell signal. Right now you can see the signal is going down and it doesn't repaint. If the candle is fixed with this signal, then it is never going to repaint. Okay, now let me show you. It is capable of providing you small reversals. Look, that was the reversal. That was the reversal. I can show you that was the reversal. Okay, and the blue means this is the strong signal, and the pink means that this is the strong. This the market can go down. Because this indicates the strong momentum of the market. Okay, now just imagine that. Have you ever seen such an accurate indicator? No, because this is not developed by someone else before, and this is one of the historical stuff that I'm providing to my subscribers. Okay, look at this sell. Even you get a scalping opportunity here on this sell as well. Okay, and you can see it was giving you pink colors. Pink colors means the strong. And now just imagine that how much the price simply went down after getting these pink signals. Okay, this was for scalping. This is the blue signal. Blue signal means that the market can reverse very well. Okay, this is a strong sign, and you can see the price is simply pulled back from here to here, and you can see this is massive. Okay, now just imagine these small pullbacks. If you're trading like 2 to 3 candles every day, okay, you can see after so many signals we have just one losing signal. So this is the normal mode that I am reviewing in this video. You can see profitable, and even profitable here, profitable here, profitable here, profitable as well. You can see again the blue sign, strong one, and you can see the market strongly went up. Okay, this is the good this is the normal this is the normal signal. You can see it went up strong, and then it give you another strong signal here. So this is how we have developed this indicator. Okay, now I'm just going to show you that how it works on the aggressive mode. Okay, so right now just look at the number of signals. We have 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 signals on the normal mode. If I go to the settings, enable aggressive mode, and then let's see how many signals are there now. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. Okay, 13 signals. Okay, so first of all, aggressive mode has provided the signal from here to sell the gold, and then it has provided another signal here, and we also received another signal from the normal mode as well, and you can see price is down. Okay, and today you can see, if you just look back here, we also have a blue sign here. That was a sign of a very strong reversal, and you can see gold simply went up with no problem. Okay, then you can see we have received a buy signal from here, profitable, sell from here. That is also profitable, buy, profitable, buy, profitable, and you can see buy, profitable, sell, profitable. Very good long ride, buy, profitable, buy, profitable. So this is what we have done, that this indicator will keep you finding the good reversals that are actually going to happen in the market. It's your choice to use this indicator on the strong mode. Otherwise you can simply uncheck the aggressive one, and you can keep the signals normal for you. Okay, so it will reduce the number of signals like it has did already. So this is the best indicator. Trust me, guys. If even if you go to any developer on TradingView, you will not be able to find such type of accurate indicator, especially for the gold trading. And we have developed this for gold 5 minute. Okay, guys, I'm repeating again. If you want to get the hands on this indicator, then first of all, do not come to me if you're looking to buy this indicator just for a few hundred dollars. No, this is very this is expensive stuff. Okay, this is not a normal stuff because it does not lag, and this is the very strong indicator. Right now you can see that we are getting a buy signal from the indicator that is running. That must be okay. No, not from let me check it. Okay, not from the aggressive, the other one. Okay, so not from the aggressive, the other mode was providing us a buy signal. But until unless the candle is not fixed with the signal, then this signal will not fixed. Okay, so we will always wait for the candle close. Okay, so let's see how it behaves later on. So overall, those contact me, those who understand the worth and they want to make a lot of profits on gold, then they only contact me on Telegram, or they can also email me. All the details are provided about the contact option and website, and also you can find the Telegram channel link in the description of this video below. This indicator is something real, and it is the unforgettable forgettable job that we have already done on this indicator. Thank you very much for watching this video, and let's see you again in the next video.